In the heart of the sea, where the waters are clear, lies Onok Island, where the skies draw near. Mooned of clay down the Dumdacket mere, with sand so white and the sun so bright. It's a slice of paradise in the warm sunlight. The mangroves stand, guardians of the shore, a sanctuary for the birds that soar. The twilight hues, a painter's dream, Onok Island, a serene, untouched theme. Jewel of Palawan's crown, where the ocean whispers and the stars come down. In your embrace all worries drown. Onok Island, where nature's beauty is found. So let's set sail, to the horizon we'll steer, to Onok Island, where the heavens seem near. With every sunset, let's make a vow to preserve its beauty here.